Namaste everyone, welcome to our Yogananda YouTube channel, and today I am here to teach you some postures or you can say yoga practice on the chair. That is why you will see, you will not have any excuse, you do not have to feel that okay I need to wear the yoga dress and I need to have proper clothing. You see I am wearing the jeans and t-shirt, you can do in any clothes. That is what the practice I am going to teach. You can sit, you can do in your home, you can do in your office. What you need? Just you need like this chair, and I am sure that everybody has like this chair at home. It can be dining chair and it can be any office chair which is not going round. It is stable with the four leg, it does not move much, and this chair is the perfect. So, this is the chair I will be using to do the practices, because nowadays we have restrictions to go out because of the lockdowns. We are not moving out, and most of the time whenever we are at home. So, what we are doing? We are doing only 2-3 things, either all the time watching the phones, or maybe if you have to work from the home on the computer on the desks, or maybe you are watching the TV, or maybe lying down most of the time in unnatural positions because you cannot lie down on the bed. These are what we are doing, and then these things are bringing lot of issues around your upper back, because either you are doing, for example, if I sit this side, either you are doing the phone. So, you see my back, and if you are working on the desk. So, this is the way upper back, neck and the shoulders, we are getting lot of issues, and same times this area, pelvic area, the lower back and the hips. So, that area also should be taken care. This is the practice I am going to cover today. You just can do while sitting on the chair, you do not even need the yoga mat as I said, and you just have to find maybe 20 to 30 minutes, it depends how long you want to do it, but not more than 20 to 30 minutes. You can find the time and you can do it, and it will make you feel much better and take away a lot of tension from the neck, back and the shoulder area. So, let us start. So, the first thing we are going to do, so whenever you sit on the chair, make sure your feet are nicely placed on the floor, not like heels are lifting up. So, if you think that okay your legs are short, it depends on our height. Like me, if I sit too much back, then my heels are not nicely placed. So, I move little bit forward, then my feet are nicely placed. So, you can adjust yourself the way you want, and then first thing we are going to do, we will start from the top of the body. So, first practice we will do for neck stretch, because once we play a lot of things on mobile on the desk, so you will see your neck will be folding all the time forward, and you have lot of tension around the neck area. So, for that we will do just few practices. So, what you have to do? So, when you do it, the side you want to do, opposite hand going to hold the side of the chair. So, once you hold the chair, so this shoulder will not lift up, this will stay down, and you will feel deeper stretch and deeper relief of the tension also. Then other hand you take to the side of the head, opposite side of the head, like you want to hold your opposite ear, and keeping the shoulder down, just you pull your head to side as much as you can, but keep the back straight, pull as far as you can. Even you can inhale, and when you exhale, like you want to pull little more. One more time, inhale and exhale. All right, coming back slowly, and same we do from other side. So, now this hand going to hold the chair, and other hand coming to the opposite ear, holding the head from side and keeping the shoulder down, pull the head to other side. Again be here, keep the back straight, just bending your neck to side, not the back, and again inhale, and when you exhale, like you want to go a little further. One more time, inhale and exhale. All right, coming back, and then we will do one more time. Yeah. So, once again grab the side of the chair with the left hand, right hand to the left ear, and then taking the head to right side. Once more, inhale, and when you exhale, like you want to take the head little more right side. Once again, inhale and exhale, and next inhale, come back, and now right hand going to hold the side of the chair, and left hand going to hold the right ear and going to other side. Yeah, keeping the right shoulder down and head moving to left side. Again inhale and exhale. You can pull little more. One more time. Inhale and exhale, and come back to center. And then next practice will make the finger lock with your hands, keep your thumbs straight and put the thumbs under the chin, and keeping the back straight. Now we'll push the head back, because all the time when we are playing with the mobile, head coming forward. So now we need to take it back. Putting the thumbs under the chin and go. Take your head back as far as you can. Pushing back, and again inhale and exhale. You can push little more. One more time. Inhale and exhale, push a little more. Then now take your hands behind the head like this, and elbows little bit front, but keeping the back straight, just bending your head forward from your neck. Again inhale, exhale, taking forward. One more, inhale and exhale. Okay, come back and let's repeat one more time. Once again using the thumbs to push your head back. 2 long breathings. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Then back side, putting the hands at the back and taking your head forward. Again 2 long breathings. Inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. All right, coming back. Then take your hands down and then just rotate your neck to release the tension. So taking the chin to chest, then take your head to right side like ear going to touch shoulder, then all the way back, then left side and in front. So go again, one more circle. When you go back, inhale. When you coming front, exhale. One more circle. Inhale and exhale. Let's go opposite also, yeah. So going back again, inhale, exhale, again inhale and exhale. Once more, inhale and exhale. All right, now my neck feels very good. Yours will feel also good if you do it same way. Okay, now let's do next for coming down to shoulders. So for shoulders, to release the tension, first practice we'll do, take your arms up and make finger lock like this. First stretch the body up. So like palms facing, turning up and stretch, stretch, stretch. So same time you release the tension, compression from your spine and stretching the body up. Stretch, stretch, inhale, lift, exhale. One more time, inhale, lifting higher and exhale. All right, coming back, and now next practice we will do, we will hold opposite elbows. The way you are holding with the opposite elbows, head straight, not dropping forward, head straight, and then we pull the elbows to right side. So not bending from the back, back straight, just pulling the shoulders. If you can keep the arms behind the head, you can. Otherwise, you can take the head little bit forward, but ideally you need to keep the head straight. So pull it to right side. Again, inhale, exhale like you want to go a little more. One more time, inhale and exhale. And coming to center, and let's go other side, left side. So pull your elbows to left, keeping your back straight. Inhale. And while exhaling, like you want to go a little more. Again, inhale and exhale. And coming to center, we'll do one more time, but we'll change the hand. So the way you hold the elbows, just switch it like this, and then go to right side once more. Pull the elbows to right, so you feel little bit stretch to your shoulders, especially your left side when you go to right. Inhale, exhale. One more, inhale and exhale. Coming to center, and then pull to left side. Yeah, again left side, you can take 2 long breathings. Inhale and when you exhale, like you want to go a little more left side. Once more, inhale and exhale. All right, come back, release, take your hands down, and now next practice we do for shoulders again. So now this time I'll turn this side, so you can turn also to the side of the chair. Then take your hands back side, making finger lock like this, but shoulders not going forward. Take your shoulders back and looking front, not down, and then inhale, and like you want to raise your arms up as high as you can. So like you will squeeze your shoulder blades and lifting the arms. It takes away a lot of tension from the shoulders. So inhale, exhale. One more, inhale and exhale, down, and we'll go one more time. Yeah, inhale, lift as high as you can, maybe little more than last time. Inhale, exhale. One more, inhale and exhale. Okay, come back, release your hands and come in the front again. Then just roll the shoulders a bit like this. Then opposite also. And you will see your shoulders feels much better. So now after shoulders, we'll stretch the side body a little bit. Yeah, so sitting again, feet nicely placed, and now we'll do the from the right side first. So left hand going to hold the chair from right side. Yeah, if you do this way, you feel deeper stretch. But if you think you cannot reach here, then you can keep the hand down this side also. But I will suggest to do like this. Do you feel deeper stretch to release the tension deep? Then right arm up. So right arm stretching a bit, yeah, not keeping loose but straight all the time. Then go to left side like this. Keeping the hips down, feet nicely placed, and chin not going to chest like this, yeah, chin away. So your arm and the ear in same line, and don't bend your right arm straight, fingers active, and keep going to left side. Okay, inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Okay, inhale, come back to center and exhale. Take your right arm down and with the right hand hold the chair from left side. Lifting left arm up, touching the ear, stretching little bit up. Inhale, and when you exhale, go to right side. Go to right side again. Check your chin, not going to chest, away, and left arm stay straight, not folding the elbow. Again stay here. Inhale, exhale, going deeper. One more time, inhale and exhale. All right, come back and take the left arm down. We'll repeat one more time. Yeah, again left hand holding the right side of your chair and right arm up, stretch the right side and go to left side. Inhale, exhale, go more. Once more, inhale and exhale. Okay, come back. Then taking your right hand to the left side of the chair, hold the chair, left arm up, inhale, stretch, and exhale, go to right side as much as you can, keeping the chin away from chest and left arm straight. Inhale, exhale. One more, inhale and exhale. Okay, come back and then coming down. So you stretch the side body, you feel better. So now we will be doing the twisting. To do the twisting, I'll turn the chair other way around so you can see me how to do it. So back, I will turn to the front and I will sit like this. So my right arm to the back rest side, because I'll do right side first. To do the right side, I will go and take my right arm back and hold the chair from back side like this. Yeah, but make sure you don't arch the back should be straight. And with left hand, like you want to go and hug and hold the back rest of the chair and then twisting. So right shoulder going back and you can look back side. And again, inhale, don't drop shoulder down, yeah, shoulder lifting up. Inhale, lift the shoulder, exhale, twist more. One more time. Inhale, lift the shoulders up, and exhale, twist. Come back, release your left arm and coming to center, and same you can turn to other side. Now left arm towards the backrest of the chair, left hand going back side to grab the chair behind your back, and right arm going to hug and hold the backrest and twisting left side. Now move the left shoulder back as deep as you can, but not dropping the shoulders in front, like chest lifting up. Inhale and exhale, twist little more. One more time. Inhale, lift the chest, and exhale, twist little more. Okay, coming back, and let's go one more time. Yeah, one more repetition. So turning to side, right hand going to back side to the chair, left hand going to hug the backrest of the chair, and twisting to right side. So move the right shoulder back as far as you can, and again not dropping the shoulders, back straight, chest coming to front. Inhale, exhale, twist. Once more. Inhale and exhale, twist. All right, come back, and then now once again repeating to other side, left side. So left hand going to hold the chair at the back, right arm holding the backrest and twisting. Remember to keep your back straight and look back side, and again inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Okay, come back and release. And now next practice we will do for upper back, because you see whenever we work on the desk on the mobile, so upper back is all the time going forward. So we need to take it upper back down. So for that one, what we will do, that we will keep the chair in front. Yeah, we will stand and we will go on the knees. So if you don't have the mat, you can put anything like a towel, just go on down on the carpet, or the towel under the knees, so your knees will not feel painful. Then chair in the front. Yeah, so I will tell you in two ways to do it. So the first way, we put the palms on top of the chair and walk little bit back, so your body becomes longer. Yeah, and hips and knees in similar line. So keeping the hands on the chair, we will just drop the back, especially your upper back, and head down. So you will feel the opening in your upper back. Yeah, so just go as far as you can. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. One more inhale and exhale, like you want to go a little more down. Come back, and then we will do one more. So we walk little bit close. Yeah, but this time we will put the elbows on the chair. So like outer edge of the chair, put the elbows and make the finger lock. And again, if you think your head is going to hit the chair, then you can put the elbows little bit towards outer edge and walk the knees little bit more back. So now your head go between the arms and the chair. So now same stretch, but it is just arrangement of the hands and arms different. Then now just drop your head between the arms and the chair, and like you want to take the head towards the floor as far as you can, and feel the stretch, like your armpit area becoming wider and stretching. Yeah, so keep dropping, keep dropping, keep dropping as far as you can. Let's count 3 breathings. Yeah, inhale and exhale, going deeper. One more. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Come back, and then now move the knees little bit front, and then come up, come to standing. And now we will do one more practice on chair to stretch the hip area and the lower back. So sitting on the chair again. You can go a little bit front, so feet will be nicely firm on the floor, and then we will stretch the hip and lower back. So, right side first. So, your right foot on the left knee like this. If you feel knee pain, so one thing you can do, that pull this foot back like this. If you pull this foot back, then you will see you feel less in your right knee. So, pull the right foot back like you want to take the toes opposite, not this side, but opposite. All right. So, now let us go. So, you can keep the hold the chair like this, but do not arch the upper back. Without arching upper back, like you want to go forward from your lower back as far as you can. Yeah. So, you can keep holding the chair, and if you think, you can take the hands in front to touch the floor, like your fingers going to touch the floor as far as you can. Yeah. So, again inhale, exhale, going more. Again inhale and exhale. Say one more breathing. Inhale and exhaling, going deeper. All right. Inhale and come up, and we will do same from other side. So, now right foot down and left ankle on the knee, or maybe more close, whatever feel comfortable to you, and again pull this foot back. So, we say flexing the foot, pulling the foot back, so you do not feel much in your knee. And again you can hold the chair, inhale and keeping the back straight, going from the hip joints. Yeah. So, going forward as far as you can keep holding the chair, or if you think, you can bring the hands, arms in front to touch the floor if you can, and be here again. Inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. One more inhale and exhale, going deeper. Come back again. Inhale and release your legs, and then now you can take few longer, deeper breathing. So, inhale, exhale, again inhale and exhale. Open your eyes. So, you see, these are the practices you can do anytime. It took not more than 20 minutes. I finished almost in 20 minutes. Time you can find. As I said, you see, I am wearing jeans and t-shirt, like not having the proper clothes also. So, clothes cannot be excused that I am not wearing proper clothes, so I do not do. You can do it because we are using the chair, not going to sit on the mat and not doing so much intense bending. So, even you can do in any cloth, any time, as long as you have not eaten something very heavy, means your stomach should not be full to do all the thing. So, like in the morning, later in the evening, or during midday before lunch, you can do these practices. And I am sure while you are having at home, playing with the phones and computers, watching TV, having those lazy days, so these practices will help you to remove the tension from your body, and you feel more open, more free physically and mentally. So, thank you for doing this practice with me, and see you in next video. We are uploading the videos every week, once or twice. So, follow us, subscribe this channel, and wait for the next practice coming soon. Thank you. Namaste.